Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows the technique to localize the acute appendicitis. The appendix is a small pouch-like sac of tissue that is located in the first part of the colon, cecum, in the lower right abdomen. Lymphatic tissue in the appendix aids in immune function. The official name of the appendix is vermiform appendix, which means worm-like appendage. The appendix harbors bacteria. The appendicitis is a condition in which the appendix becomes inflamed, swollen, or infected, causing pain in the right lower side of the abdomen. This video shows localizing of the inflamed appendix. A small amount of free fluid is also seen may be present in the surrounding area. This is a case where patient is experiencing intense pain in the right iliac fossa. When acute appendicitis is suspected, you can scan the patient lying supine. I selected a high power, that is from 7 to 11 megahertz transducer. You may put a pillow under the both knees of the patient to have the abdomen of the patient relaxed. You will search a blind ending tubular structure arising from the cecum. First of all, you will have to identify the ascending colon. Then one has to scan inferiorly to localize the cecum, and then one can see the appendix. The colon will have the haustra, which will differentiate it from small bowel. You can see the haustra in long axis view. Now you will scan caudally to reach the inferior end of the cecum. Then you will sweep the probe to do the examination in the transverse plane or axial plane, also called horizontal plane or transaxial plane. The position of the appendix is variable from patient to patient, so you will have to look around the cecum to localize the appendix. The localizing of the psoas muscle is also important, as the appendix lies mostly overlying the psoas muscle. Now you will start by applying the gentle pressure, then apply the firmer pressure to displace the bowel to avoid bowel gases. As the bowel loops are inflamed, they are fixed without peristaltic movements. Most often tenderness will also help you to localize the appendix. The appendix is seen on cross-sectional scan as concentric circle. You can see the inner lumen is hypoechogenic with hyperechogenic edema surrounding it. Now if you scan in the long axis, appendix will appear in tubular form with the same pattern. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.